All right, today I'm going to take everything out and do some of the modifications I talked about. First thing is I gotta pull out all the cabinets and the bed and then redo the floors. If you look down there, I already removed the center console, and you can see this video up here if you wanna see how I removed the center console. But now that area's exposed, I could start flooring everything. Got the bed out. Unfortunately, that's the easy part. This big monster is next. All right, so the cabinets are out, and that was an incredible pain in the butt to do. And I think I'm gonna learn my lesson. I'm gonna not build around things so much this time, and I'm gonna try to build it as one whole piece and then put it in so that it'll be easier in and easier out. But anyways, that's later on. So now I'm gonna pull out these floors and put in the new ones. Wow, that sucked. But here it is, another clean slate. It's like I'm starting all over again. So here's a update of my progress on the floors. And so what I wanted to do is try to level it, but I didn't want to do it completely just because it raises it so high in the back. So I'm going to just make it more level. But I wanted to stop here to talk to you guys about this right here. So if you don't know what this is the screw, the nut, to release your spare tire. So you do not want to cover this thing up completely. My old version, I had that I could just kind of tear everything apart if I really needed to, but this one's I won't be able to do that. So I'm going to need to drill a hole so I could get to the spare tire. If you've never seen your spare tire, maybe that's a good thing, but it's underneath there, and that nut is how you release it. So you gotta do a little extra thing. Oh man, that was a pain to do. So I did a little bit of a slope here. You can kind of see it in the border. You can see there's a hole to get to the spare tire. And that's the way it's going to look right now. And next up, I need to do the flooring for my walkway from the driver passenger. So for this front area, what I'm going to do is just going to have a step down and another mini to step down here. And I'm just going to put these board over that, and because it's a hardwood, it's plenty strong enough to hold that weight without anything in the middle. This last part's going to be a little trickier because I want to cover that up too. So I'm going to have to cut a piece to shape. All right, so I did that front part. It's a little bit, you know, wonky, moves a little bit, but it's okay. I think it looks all right. Here's a look from the back side. I haven't done this bottom, but I'll probably just leave it that way. But yeah, I think it's much more even than before. Looks pretty good, and you know what time that is? It's Miller time.